Alright, so here I just bought this kit. If you never got one of these, it's going to help you a lot. Let's say if you have a maybe relay like this, or maybe something else on your car and you're having some difficulties. So basically you can grab this and then move it, you know, up and down, so that way you can clean it very quickly. And I'm going to show you if, I mean, this is very simple, right? I mean, it's Chinese unknown brand, but it seems like it's good, be good enough. I'm not going to use this every day, just maybe once a year or every a few years. I don't fix my cars very often. But with this, as you can see here, if you have to buy something like that, I mean, it looks decent enough, at least, you know, for a few times. I think it will be okay. And I'll show you, for instance, I have my cargo vent. I have a step vent, as you can see. For some reason it got water inside the connector, and if you have to clean this, you have two options. One, you can cut it and just replace the whole connector and put a new one, or you can try to use this kit in order to clean it up and make it work. If it works, great. Otherwise, you may have to replace the whole thing. Here I have another picture, as you can see here. So basically it's the same connector that I was showing you before, and that's it. So otherwise, before I was using this, you know, this is like a small pliers that you can move up and down in order to clean it. That is another way if you don't have one of these. But in some places, like I show you before, inside in your car, the connectors, they're going to be like very difficult to work, at least with, you know, maybe with a screwdriver or anything like that. So if you have something like that, I think this kit is very economical and will do the job. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. Also, if you want to keep learning, you can go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist here. You have all my classes over there. Also, if you have any question, or if you want to search for some video, you can do it here on the magnifying glass. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.